Hey there, YouTube. Welcome to Build and Grow 21. Now, this is a surprise video. I was kind of coming out to get the net pots ready for the next round of cracky. However, the stones got a nice deal on these hydrautin here. I think I paid $10 for 25 liter. Anybody who knows hydrautin knows that's a good deal. Go ahead, ask me how. But anyways, they were in this box, and last week I had used this box. I used some vermiculite to start some plants, or try to, and somehow I must have left a gap enough where a birdie came in, laid some eggs here. See if I can get a little light on that. There we go. So I got 3 eggs in there. I hope I didn't disturb it at all. I checked with the family. We all agree, yeah, just leave it be. And hopefully they'll grow up and fly away before any snakes or bats or anything come after them. Or, you know, the fox and the other critters are all around here in the evening too. So anyways, that's really cute. I think I'll take a nice little photo of that. Moral of the day, watch where you leave your bags of vermiculite. And this apparently doesn't look like a bad way for a bird to build a little bit of a nest. Isn't that cute? The way this bag is real pretty like that. Got it almost like it's a tree, and there's a little bird nest in the tree. So there you have it. 3 eggs. Hope they come out. Hope you enjoy that. And let's see here. Come back for more. Like, subscribe, and tell others.